Flying soon? Long flights can be tiring, but the right gadgets can make your trip so much easier, safer, and more enjoyable. In this video, we've rounded up 15 must-have travel gadgets for airplane trips, from smart organizers and comfort boosters to tech gear that keeps you powered and relaxed at 30,000 feet. Whether you're a frequent flyer or planning your next vacation, these airplane travel essentials will help you stay comfortable, entertained, and stress-free throughout your journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel gear guides and check the description below for the latest deals and product links. All right, let's get started.
Number 1. Bose Quiet Comfort Bluetooth Headphones. The Bose Quiet Comfort Bluetooth headphones are built for anyone who wants peace, clarity, and comfort while listening. With active noise canceling, these over-ear headphones block out distractions so you can focus on music, calls, or just quiet time. The sound is crisp, with deep bass that makes songs feel full and rich. You get up to 24 hours of playtime on a single charge, which means less worrying about battery life on long days or trips. The over-ear cushions feel soft and secure, so you can wear them comfortably for hours. A built-in mic lets you answer calls hands-free without removing the headphones, and the wireless Bluetooth connection stays stable without tangling cords. In sleek black, they look stylish while fitting easily into everyday life. For travelers, busy professionals, or music lovers, the Bose Quiet Comfort is a reliable choice that makes listening effortless. Number 2. Alta Plus Alcohol-Free Hand Sanitizing Wipes. The Alta Plus alcohol-free hand sanitizing wipes are the perfect travel companion for keeping your hands clean anytime, anywhere. Each travel size pack comes with 20 wipes, making them easy to slip into a purse, backpack, or even your pocket. The alcohol-free formula is gentle on sensitive skin, yet effective at quickly removing germs and dirt. Unlike harsher wipes, these leave your hands soft and fresh without a sticky residue. They're especially useful when soap and water aren't available, whether you're traveling, commuting, or spending time outdoors. The wipes feel smooth to the touch, making them comfortable for frequent use throughout the day. They're also safe for families, so even kids can use them without irritation. Compact, lightweight, and practical, Alta Plus wipes make staying clean stress-free on the go, a simple and reliable hygiene solution for travelers and everyday use.
Number 3. Portable Charger 50,000 mAh Power Bank. This 50,000 mAh portable charger is designed for travelers and busy people who need power that lasts. With its massive battery capacity, you can charge your phone multiple times without worrying about running out of juice. Built-in cables mean you don't have to carry extra cords, making it even more convenient to use on the go. The 22.5-watt PD USB-C fast charging supports both input and output, so you can recharge devices and the power bank itself quickly. With 6 output ports, you can charge multiple gadgets at once, from smartphones to tablets and more. Despite its power, the design is compact and easy to carry in a bag. The sturdy build feels reliable, making it a smart companion for travel, long commutes, or outdoor adventures. If you want a dependable way to keep your devices powered, this charger is a game changer. Number 4. Out-in Nano Portable Electric Espresso Machine. The Out-in Nano Portable Electric Espresso Machine is the ultimate coffee solution for travel, camping, or even the office. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to carry in a backpack or car holder. Powered by USB-C, it heats water quickly and efficiently, so you can enjoy a fresh cup of espresso anywhere. This machine works with both ground coffee and NS capsules, giving you flexibility in how you brew. It's simple to operate and designed to make strong, rich-tasting espresso with minimal effort. The self-heating feature means you don't need extra tools or boiling water, making it ideal for RV trips, hiking, or long drives. Cleaning is straightforward, so there's no mess after use. For coffee lovers who don't want to compromise on taste while on the move, the Out-in Nano is a reliable and convenient choice that delivers cafe-quality espresso on the go.
Number 5. Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. The Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold combines modern design with powerful performance in a foldable smartphone. Its flexible display unfolds into a bright, spacious screen that's perfect for multitasking, streaming, or browsing. When folded, it fits comfortably in your pocket, offering the best of both worlds. The advanced triple rear camera system captures stunning photos and videos in almost any lighting condition, while hands-free video calling makes staying connected easy. Powered by Google's Gemini processor, the phone delivers smooth and fast performance with plenty of room thanks to 256 gigabytes of storage. The unlock design allows you to choose your carrier freely, whether you're in the US or abroad. Finished in obsidian black, it looks stylish while feeling solid in hand. For anyone who wants cutting-edge technology, excellent cameras, and the flexibility of a foldable design, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is a standout option. Number 6. Lark Bottle Filtered. The Lark Bottle Filtered is designed for anyone who values clean, safe drinking water on the go. Built with advanced nano-zero technology, this bottle filters out impurities while keeping water tasting fresh and pure. The insulated stainless steel construction maintains temperature, keeping drinks cold or hot for hours. Its filters are long-lasting, reducing the need for constant replacements. The bottle is BPA-free, so you don't have to worry about harmful chemicals in your water. With its 25-ounce capacity, it's great for daily hydration, whether you're at the gym, in the office, or traveling outdoors. The obsidian black finish gives it a sleek, modern look that feels sturdy and premium in hand. Easy to carry, simple to clean, and reliable in performance, the Lark bottle makes staying hydrated both safe and stylish wherever you go.
Number 7. Toloco Massage Gun. The Toloco Massage Gun is built for deep muscle relief, making it ideal for athletes, fitness enthusiasts, or anyone dealing with muscle tension. Equipped with 10 interchangeable massage heads, it targets different muscle groups with precision, from your back to your legs and arms. The brushless motor runs quietly, allowing you to relax without disruptive noise. Despite its strong power, the gun is lightweight and easy to hold, even during longer sessions. It helps improve circulation, reduce soreness, and speed up recovery after workouts. The battery lasts long enough to use for days without constant recharging, making it dependable for daily routines. Finished in black, it looks sleek while delivering powerful performance. Whether as a personal recovery tool or a thoughtful Father's Day gift, the Toloco Massage Gun is an effective and convenient way to enjoy professional-level massage therapy at home or on the go. Number 8. Drio 6-liter Humidifier. The Drio 6-liter humidifier is designed to keep large rooms fresh and comfortable for days without constant refilling. With up to 60 hours of quiet operation, it's perfect for bedrooms, nurseries, or even living rooms. The warm and cool mist options let you adjust comfort based on the season, while the built-in humidity sensor automatically balances moisture in the air. A 12-hour timer gives you total control, and the indicator light shows when adjustments are needed. What makes this humidifier even smarter is its compatibility with Google and Alexa, so you can adjust settings hands-free. The sleek silver design blends well in any room, while the large 6-liter tank ensures you don't have to worry about constant refills. Whether it's keeping your baby comfortable, maintaining healthy air for your plants, or simply creating a relaxing sleep environment, the Drio humidifier is a reliable choice for better indoor air quality.
Number 9. Olukai Maloa Slipper. The Olukai Maloa slipper is all about comfort and casual style. Made with premium leather on the outside, it looks refined, yet feels relaxed for daily wear. Inside, a genuine shearling lining keeps your feet warm and cozy, making it perfect for chilly mornings or relaxing evenings. A cushioned gel insert supports your feet with every step, providing all-day comfort without fatigue. The drop-in heel design makes slipping them on and off quick and effortless, ideal for home use or short trips outside. The toffee and dark wood color combination adds a classic, stylish touch that pairs well with almost any outfit. Lightweight yet durable, these slippers are built to last and mold comfortably to your feet over time. For anyone looking for a blend of quality, warmth, and everyday convenience, the Olukai Maloa slipper is a smart pick that keeps comfort front and center. Number 10. Lunamimo Collapsible Silicone Food Containers. The Lunamimo 16-pack collapsible silicone food storage containers are a game-changer for small kitchens, camping trips, or anyone who loves space-saving solutions. Each container folds flat when not in use, making it easy to store in drawers or bags.
The secure lids lock tightly to prevent spills, keeping food fresh whether in the fridge, freezer, or on the go. Made from durable, stain-resistant silicone, these containers hold up better than plastic and are safe for both the dishwasher and freezer. Perfect for snacks, leftovers, or meal prep, they're versatile enough for everyday use or travel. The bright blue color makes them easy to find in a packed kitchen. Lightweight yet sturdy, they don't crack or break like traditional containers. Whether you're organizing your fridge, packing a lunch, or storing food for camping, the Lunamimo collapsible containers are a practical and eco-friendly storage solution.
Number 11. Snailax Shiatsu Massage Cushion. The Snailax Shiatsu Massage Cushion brings relaxation and relief right to your home or office chair. With deep kneading massage nodes, it targets muscle tension in your back, helping to ease soreness and stiffness after long hours of sitting. The added heat function provides gentle warmth, further relaxing tight muscles and improving circulation. Lightweight and easy to set up, this cushion fits comfortably on most chairs and couches, making it highly versatile. The controls are simple, letting you customize your massage with ease. Its compact design makes it easy to move between rooms or even take to the office. Quiet operation ensures you can unwind without distractions, whether you're reading, working, or watching TV. If you want the benefits of a back massage without the spa appointment, the Snailax Shiatsu Massage Cushion is a convenient, effective way to reduce stress and bring comfort into your daily routine. Number 12. Stanley Classic Legendary Vacuum Bottle. The Stanley Classic Legendary Vacuum Bottle is built for anyone who wants their drinks to stay hot or cold for hours during travel, work, or outdoor adventures. With a 2-quart capacity, it's large enough for multiple servings, but still compact and packable for easy carrying. The wide-mouth design makes it simple to pour, refill, and clean, while the leak-proof cup lid ensures no spills even when you're on the move. Crafted from insulated stainless steel, this bottle is tough, durable, and BPA-free for safe daily use. Its hammer-tone green finish gives it that iconic Stanley look, perfect for camping trips or just keeping coffee hot on your commute. Whether you're carrying tea, coffee, or cold water, this vacuum bottle keeps it at the right temperature for hours. Rugged, reliable, and timeless in design, it's a must-have for anyone who wants a dependable thermos built to last.
Number 13. Bothlin Wireless Car Charger. The Bothlin Wireless Car Charger makes charging your phone on the road simple and stress-free. With fast charging capability, it powers up your device without messy cables cluttering your car. The auto-clamping design securely holds your phone, keeping it steady even on bumpy roads. Compatible with a wide range of phones, from the latest iPhone 16 to older models like the iPhone XS and Samsung's S23 Ultra down to the S9. It's built for versatility. Installation is quick and requires no tools, so you can set it up in minutes. Its sleek midnight black finish blends seamlessly into any car interior, adding a modern touch. Keeping your phone visible and secure, it's perfect for navigation, calls, or music while driving safely. No more fumbling with cords or losing charge mid-drive. This wireless car charger is a practical, must-have accessory for today's drivers. Number 14. IVI SI-G2 Pocket RGB Camera Light. The IVI SI-G2 Pocket RGB Camera Light is a powerful yet compact lighting tool for photographers and content creators. With a full 360-degree color gamut, it offers endless options to create the perfect lighting mood. The built-in 4300 mAh rechargeable battery provides long-lasting use, while 9 preset light effects let you add creativity to your shots instantly. Its adjustable color temperature range from 2600K to 10,000K ensures accurate lighting for both warm and cool tones. Crafted with a durable aluminum alloy body, it feels solid in hand while remaining lightweight for easy portability. The included tripod stand gives you stable positioning anywhere, whether indoors or outdoors. Simple to control and versatile to use, it's great for video shoots, photography sessions, or even streaming. If you want professional quality lighting that fits in your pocket, the IVI SI-G2 is a reliable and creative choice.
Number 15. Lorene Reusable Food Storage Bags. The Lorene 10-pack reusable food storage bags are designed for convenience, durability, and eco-friendly living.
Made from BPA-free materials, these bags are safe for storing all types of food, from snacks to marinated meals. The leak-proof seals keep food fresh and prevent spills, making them perfect for travel, meal prep, or freezing. With a variety of sizes included, gallon, sandwich, and snack, they cover all your daily storage needs. Dishwasher-safe design means cleaning them is quick and hassle-free, saving you time. The bags are sturdy and reusable, reducing plastic waste while saving money in the long run. Multicolored designs make it easy to organize and spot what you need quickly. Whether you're prepping meals, packing lunches, or storing leftovers, the Lorene reusable bags are a practical choice that combines functionality with sustainability for everyday use. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with fellow travelers. You'll find all the featured products linked in the description, with the latest prices and exclusive deals. Got a favorite piece of travel gear or any questions? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, travel safe and stay smart.